What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be restoring these Jordan 4 Oreos. As you guys can see, these joints are really beat up, they're really dusty, so I'm going to be cleaning the shoes and I'm going to be showing you guys the before and after. So right now the first thing I'm doing is taking off the shoelaces. So after I took off the shoelaces, I put them to the side and then I put in the shoe trees. This helps so I can apply pressure on the toe box. So right now I'm pouring some water and some rejuvenator into a bowl, and then I'm going to use the soft brush to clean the uppers. If you don't know what rejuvenator is, it's a shoe cleaning company that sells sneaker products to help keep your shoes clean. If you guys want to see an unboxing, go check out my other video. So after I was done using the soft brush, I then used the medium brush to clean the midsole and also the uppers as well. And then the last brush I used was the hard brush to clean the dirty outsoles. Alright, so now it's time to clean the right shoe. I'm going to start off with the soft brush and then use the hard brush at the end. So after I got done cleaning the shoes, it was time to put them in the washing machine. So right now I'm putting them in the rejuvenator bag, and then I'm going to put it in a rejuvenator pot as well. I also forgot to mention the shoelaces as well. So here's how the shoes look after I took them out the washer. Now it's time to take out the creases from the toe box and then lace them up. So to remove the creases, the first thing I did was grab a wet towel and then place it over the creases and then use the iron to iron it. Alright guys, we're coming up to the end of the video. The last thing I'm doing is lacing up the shoelaces, but if you guys want to see the before and after pictures, make sure to go check out my Instagram at Nestor Restorations and also go check out my TikTok. But I'll see you guys later.